In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify with WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone just getting started with building websites, integrating Shopify with WordPress can open up some powerful e-commerce options for your site. So let's dive in and explore how to make this happen seamlessly. First, we're going to navigate over to WordPress.com, which is the hub for building and managing your WordPress website. If you don't already have a WordPress account, this would be a great chance to sign up and explore the tools available to you. For those who already have an account, just proceed to the familiar login page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the WordPress dashboard. This is your command center, where you manage all aspects of your site. Next, you'll want to look for the plugins section in the sidebar. This is where you can add new features and functionalities to your WordPress site. Click on Plugins, and you'll see an option to add a new one. Upon clicking Add Plugin, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type in WP Shopify. WP Shopify is a powerful plugin that bridges Shopify with WordPress, enabling you to display your Shopify store products directly on your WordPress site. When the search results appear, locate the WP Shopify plugin. It's essential you select the right plugin, so make sure to check its ratings and reviews to ensure you're getting the one developed by trusted developers. Once you've found it, proceed to click on it to open the plugin details. Finally, you'll want to click on Install and Activate. This will install the WP Shopify plugin and activate it on your WordPress site. You'll know it's successfully installed when the plugin appears in your list of active plugins. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Shopify with your WordPress site. Now, Shopify's powerful e-commerce tools are at your disposal right within WordPress. This allows you to manage products, sales, and customer engagement all from a single platform, creating a seamless experience for both you and your customers. A few more tips before we wrap up. Regularly check for plugin updates to ensure you have access to the latest features and security updates. Additionally, explore WP Shopify settings to customize how products are displayed on your site, tailoring the integration to better fit your brand's unique needs. Thanks for following along in this quick and easy integration guide. Remember, combining the strengths of Shopify and WordPress can take your website's capabilities to new heights. Happy building!